We're here with head coach Matt Hill after 44-0 dual victory over VMI.
Yes.
Matt, guys came out, offense was flying. You know, was that a point of emphasis coming to this first dual meet here at home?
Yeah, I told them to have fun, come out and work hard, give the crowd a show and have some fun, and so they did. Try to create a good environment for them to want to do that. So I was excited to see them go out there and show out. So yeah, and a lot of those guys have been training all summer long, all fall long, and they're ready to put it out there and give the fans a show.
You know, you gave the team a C or a B minus coming out of the Michigan State Open. You know, how do you feel about today?
I feel good. You know, I always emphasize we're not that good or we're not that bad. I always say that to the kids and make sure they understand it's always a work in progress. We're going to run into some monsters next weekend, so we have to be ready for them. Preparation, you know, trying to make sure you're ready for next week and the next event. How do you react to, you know, if you had a great match in the middle of the match or a bad match? Figure out what you got to change and how you got to adjust the things.
Picked up bonus points at a lot of weights. You know, especially early on, is that a momentum thing? You know, where Vargo and Old come out and put some bonus points to kind of set the tone for everybody to come out and wrestle after that.
Yeah, I think it's you know, the follow the leader style type things. My teammates going after it. What am I going to do next? And ultimately, they're out there by themselves, so they gotta make sure they make it happen on their own. But it's always good to have a lot of energy. People coming up and, you know, seeing them just slap the mat or get a tech fall and someone else is next in line. So,
you know, and then just one thing about the atmosphere today. You know, you have some live music. You know, great crowd today.
Yeah.
What's it like to be back in Macomb and kind of have that home crowd behind you for that first dual meet?
It's good. I was just excited to see a lot of people come out. We had a little clinic beforehand. Support the community, support the wrestling, you know, environment in this area, and we're happy they came out and supported the Fighting Scots. And we added a couple new things to the event today, to the duel, and a lot of our guys responded really well. So it was exciting to see. You know, some of the kids that just signed this past Wednesday are here to watch. Had a lot of recruits up to check out the event and kind of build off that. And it's a long journey. You have to just keep on building, and hopefully we got the support from the community and the you know, the fans in the area to come watch some good wrestling. And if you win, people will come. So just hopefully we keep doing a good job on the mat, and we have more home duels, and we'll have more promotions for each one of them. Hopefully we can get a lot of people out here to help these guys wrestle hard. So, yeah.
Awesome. Thanks, Coach. Good luck next week.
All right, thanks.